Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. And today we'll be taking a look at the 2018 Toyota 4Runner TRD Offroad, but this is a fully customized package. So here is a 4-door, 5-passenger, 4x4 SUV, and the color is called Midnight Black Metallic. Under the hood, you'll find a 4.0-liter V6 cylinder engine, and with this particular 4Runner, you'll be riding on top of 18-inch BMF Novakane wheels. You also have your Revtek leveling kit, you have a TRD Pro grille, and you have your Bushwacker fender flares, all adding an extra amount of edge, but there's a ton happening on the inside as well, so why don't we hop on in and take a look around. Helping you into your 4Runner is this handy-dandy key with fob. On your fob, you have your lock, your unlock, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once unlocks the front doors, and pushing it twice unlocks all 4. You can see there that you do have your side view mirror signal indicators. That's going to be really great for heavy traffic times or if you're traveling on the highway. Now I'm going to just open this up. We'll take a look at the interior. Great interior. You have these awesome running boards, making it easier to get in and out of your vehicle. You have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. You also have your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean, so it does come with 2 sets of floor mats. You have your power adjustable driver's seat, and then you have this amazing TRD emblem interior. Your TRD badging is just there. Moving a little bit further up, you do have your power tilt and slide sunroof, so awesome interior, plenty of room for 5. Moving to the left of the steering wheel is your your power mirrors. You also have your windshield wiper defrost buttons there. So I'm just going to hop on in and take a look at some more technology features for you. So looking at the dash, you have nice ambient lighting. It's not too harsh on the eyes. Nice and just a nice calm dash there. So taking a look a little bit further down on your steering wheel, you have a great ergonomic steering wheel, lots of really convenient mounted controls. You have your menu options here. So this is going to be your music selection buttons and your mode changer. Right down here is your volume control. Here we're going to have our hands-free calling and our voice command, and then this display button here is going to change your center console, and that is going to give you your average fuel economy, your current fuel economy, cruising range, things like that, your speedometer, your rear park assist, things like that. So lots of information at the touch of a button there. Your cruise control just back here on the right-hand side on your steering wheel. Moving into the entertainment system now, here's your home screen. It's going to have everything that you're going to want. You can also set it to your preference. Within your entertainment, you have everything you're going to need. Oh, it's not picking up my touch here. There we go. So you have everything you're going to need. You have your AM, FM, XM radio. You also have your CD player for all you old schoolers. And then you have your USB, your audio input, and you have your Bluetooth audio, which is going to give you your phone as well. So that's going to be really nice. Within your apps, you do have your navigation. This is a really easy system to learn. So come on in, play around with it, see how you like it. I'm going to move a little bit further up here so you can take a look. You do have your crawl control and your terrain selection buttons. That is, let's focus in here. There we go. So you have your crawl control and your terrain select, along with your garage door opener and all of your other controls there that you're going to want, your traction control, things like that. So that is going to be really nice, especially for all you off-roaders. So moving a little bit further down here, we're going to take a look at the climate control. You do have your air conditioning. That's going to be nice in the summer months. You also have your USB and your audio input just there. And then you have your another 12-volt DC plug-in just right in there. Here's your 4-wheel drive control. That's going to be really handy if you're going to go off-roading again. And then you have your sport mode if that's how you'd prefer to drive in the city. Now for the winter months, you do have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger, and your rear window goes all the way down. This is your automatic window there. You've got this great fiberglass insert adding a lot of style, and then you have a huge amount of storage here in the center with yet another 12-volt DC plug-in. So lots of plug-in options there for your devices. Really great interior. Now moving a little bit further in, you have a lockable glove box. This is a huge glove box, lots of space to hold all of your personal items and any manuals that you're going to want to keep with you. So lots of really great stuff happening in the front of your 4Runner. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Taking a look at the back of your 4Runner now, you can get a nice view of those rear fender flares. You also have your rear parking sensors along with all of the trailering equipment that you're going to need, so you can bring all of your gear and toys to that camping trip, that long-awaited camping trip. Now you also have your rear vision camera just there. That's going to make it easier for you to back out of those busy parking stalls or even just out of your own neighborhood, making your neighborhood safer with eyes in the back of your head. Moving a little bit further up, this rear window goes all the way down. It does go all the way down. It's only halfway down at the moment, and you have a rear windshield wiper as well. I'm going to open this up. We're going to take a look at the cargo space. So tons and tons of cargo space. One great thing, another great thing about the 4Runner is the amount of cargo space back here. Now you do have a 120 volt AC plug-in there, and you have a 12 volt DC plug-in just there in case you want to charge some stuff. You've got some storage here in the back, so you can definitely have a tailgate party. Lots of space, some more storage here on the left, and you do have that cargo cover as well. That pulls out, give you some privacy on those big shopping trips. And then I'm going to take that cargo cover out and set these seats down so you can see just how much cargo space you have. Another great thing that I wanted to show you is you do have that middle section that can fold down on its own, so you can still carry something a little longer and still have 2 passengers in the back seat, or you can do the 2 passengers on the side and in the middle and then put the far left seat down or the far right one. So no matter what you want your configuration to be, there is tons and tons of space in here. And once you're finished loading up all your gear, we'll just close this up for you and give you a nice view of the back of your 4Runner. Giving you a final view then of the 2018 Toyota 4Runner TRD Offroad, fully customized for you. Some more features that you'll find are the Toyota crossbars at the top there in case you have some more gear that you want to bring along. You also have your Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrac tires. So come on in, take it for a test drive, ask all of the questions. We're very proud of this 4Runner. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thank you for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.